Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can add or remove people in a group conversation or space in Google Chat on mobile. So you can open the Google Chat apps or a Gmail app and you can tap on the space at the bottom and select the space that you want to manage members. So at the top, tap the name of the conversation and then you can select manage members. So if you want to add the another people, you can add people and just search people with the Gmail account with the um, email address. And if you want to remove people, you can select this icon right here and select remove space. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.